Hey guys, I am finally sharing a little kitchen tour with you guys. A full, like top to bottom, everything in my kitchen, minus the pantry. We're gonna do its own video for that with you guys today because I got a ton of requests for this and kind of to go through the features and things that I like, things that I would change, which at the current moment is absolutely nothing. Now, this is a maternity leave video, so if you happen to hear me say I'm pregnant or you like see my pregnant belly and you're like, wait, but I thought you had your baby, this is pre-recorded so that I can enjoy my time with Roman. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I will link everything that I can for you guys in the description bar below, and let's go ahead and flip you around and get started. So the kitchen is absolutely what drew us to this floor plan. I could go on and on about it. Pretty much the entire thing is super blank. I will get more into that in a minute, but I did not want a ton of stuff on the counters because at our old house, we had really dark counters and we didn't have a ton of cabinet space. So we had a lot of things that we were forced to keep on the counters. So like you see like a little bit of pump stuff over here that I'm washing just because I'm currently pregnant. And then there's like coffee stuff over here, and like that is it. That's exactly how I wanted it because I was so sick of all the stuff on my counters. So this is a stunning open floor plan. I'm so happy with it. And I guess I'll start out with the island and kind of work around from there. So these bar stools are from Amazon. I am so in love with them. They popped up on my random like things you may like or be interested in one day, and I saw them and was like, yes, that is exactly what I want. You can get a 2-pack, I think, 4-pack, maybe even 6. I can't quite remember. You can get a couple different like sizes. They have round backs, but I absolutely love these. We knew we wanted white fabric with the black base, and they are just absolutely perfect. And then the island itself and all of the surrounding countertops are a quartz. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but I of course will put that in the description bar. I need to get the other little outlet cover back out, but I am so happy with how it looks. It actually really pulls both warm and cool tones because it's got kind of like a grayish blue in it, but it also has some like deeper like brown parts to it. So I love the quartz so much. And then this is our sink here. It overlooks our living room. And we decided to do one open black granite sink with a disposal, and I'm so happy about that. This is also a touch sink. Has come in handy a ton, especially when you're cooking, because you can just kind of keep the water on and then run up to it, bump it, turn it off, and that way you're not actually touching anything. It does have also that feature to it, so very happy with those. And then I have mentioned this before, so this actually is just a little stopper, but this is a bottle cleaner, and you can buy these on Amazon, install them yourself. They're like under 25 bucks, under 30 bucks. They are amazing. You can use these for wine glasses, regular glasses, Stanleys, all kinds of stuff. So that is something we knew we wanted for sure. And then apart from that, this is all on the island. I didn't want anything crazy. We do have our dishwasher down here, a regular drawer, and then 2 deeper drawers on this side. On that side, we have just 2 deep drawers. That's where we keep a bunch of our like most used cleaning supplies. And then this is our like double trash can. So, I mean, nothing really exciting in there, but apart from that, the island is such a dream. It is very long, very wide, exactly what we wanted. We knew we wanted black, and then all of the perimeter cabinets to be white. But it's an absolute dream come true, just like how much counter space we have here. And then on this side, we have these also hold cleaning supplies, but to be completely honest with you, like we're not used to this much space, so this entire thing is like almost completely empty. So we do have some like travel stuff in there, but we've got cooking dishes, double oven, and then all of our like, so if you're traveling and need something to hold your casserole dish, like it's all up there. Over on this side, we decided to do base cabinets all around the kitchen, and it is just the absolute best. They fit so much more than cabinet space, and they actually are super deep and very functional too. I have seen people, if they do a remodel and they don't want to completely redo every single bit of their cabinets, they'll do something like this where you have, you know, the pull out, and then of course we have like our hidden scissors and knife there from Ezra, but this is a great alternative if you don't want to get rid of your cabinet doors, but you kind of want that drawer situation. Everything is soft close, which we love, and the cabinets themselves are color alabaster. The handles I know are like 7 1/8 or something long, but these came from our cabinet company, so I can't like link these, but they are all soft close. And we love that. And they're also just deep. So it has been really nice to actually have functional organization. I didn't have hardly any in our old house. And so it's just so nice to like actually be able to make everything make sense. We have a gas stove that I love, and then literally like nothing on the counters, which again, exactly what I wanted. And the backsplash is from Lowe's. I've talked about this a few times. It was an accident that we found it. Like we knew we had to pick some out soon. We were wandering through Lowe's one day and randomly saw it. And we're like, yes, that's it, because it pulls both cool and warm tones. So it is amazing. And then we have this black stainless steel hood up here that is very loud, but still very nice to have. And then cabinets on either side that hold like plates, cooking stuff, all of that. Over here, this is 100% dedicated to the boys. So all 3 of those base cabinets and this are all kid stuff, kid snacks, kid bottle, drink. I mean, everything that can go in a cabinet basically goes there or there, because we just didn't want it spread throughout the house because we know one day we won't need those. So that's what's up there. But then we have all of our glassware right here. So we kept pretty much our favorite coffee mugs and then got rid of the rest of them. New glassware and then older glassware and wine glasses, because these cabinets are just so high that like we actually still wanted them to be functional. But we are so happy with, again, just like the organization. So we have a coffee bar set up here. This is pretty much the most stuff that we have throughout. And then this is my drawer of like tea, coffee. It's not the most organized over here yet, but we have only lived in this house when I'm filming this for like 8 days. So we're still kind of getting there. I do have organization stuff set up, but again, just, I can't say it enough. Like, it's so nice to have actual space. You fit so much more in drawers than you do cabinets. So I definitely recommend it if you are looking to build something. You should definitely check out. And then here we have our awesome fridge. So the top half, I've showed this, completely opens, and we do have a pantry fridge as well. I will share that in a different video, but you can shut the top. And then this is the part that's completely separate. So you can set these different temperatures, you can put different things in here. It is just so nice to have this fridge. I will link it for y'all. It's Whirlpool brand. We are very happy with Whirlpool. I think majority of our appliances are Whirlpool except for our gas stove and ovens. So we really love that so far. Again, that cabinet is completely empty. This is the pantry here. It's just not organized efficiently yet. So we'll get to this at a later point, but that's why we're not gonna kind of like go in depth here. And then over here is where I keep all of my hosting stuff. So I actually have not had a place to put any hosting anything. It's all been like shoved into boxes. So when I open up these cabinets, I have all my vases, all my flower, my like acrylic flower vases, all of it goes up here. And then like as you kind of come down, like this drawer still is pretty open, but I have my like servingware. And then I get down into like paper plates, paper cups, all the stuff we used when we were moving. And then I have like chargers and bigger dishes down here. So it's so nice to have a place that's like set aside for this, but it's still functional. I can't stop saying that. It's just like amazing to actually know where everything is and not have to go dig through boxes. So this is kind of the full kitchen overview. We feel so incredibly blessed to have this kitchen. The lights are from Amazon. I've mentioned these a couple times. I found like designer lights that were like $500 a piece, and I was just like, absolutely not. So I found these on Amazon. I think at the time they were like on sale for like $180 or $200, and they're gorgeous. They give off so much light, and they just really add to this space without making it like super modern and funky, but we are just so incredibly blessed. So happy with how it all turned out. The layout is efficient and functional, which at the end of the day is all you can really want. Especially, you know, if you like to host. I've always loved it, but I've never had the room or the opportunity. So I'm just excited this year to take over Thanksgiving. And that's really it. Again, I'll link everything for y'all that I can. This was just a super highly requested video, so I wanted to kind of get this one out of the way. I'll go through each space as they're done. There'll probably be a little bit more spaced out because this space is a lot. I still have to find like so much furniture. Those cabinets or the floating shelves have not been like even sort of decorated yet. Like there's still a bunch of like my husband's tools over there. So we are still working through piece by piece. It's definitely gonna take time, especially since we are welcoming Roman so soon. I'm 37 weeks in 1 day when I'm filming this, and I've been having contractions like while I'm actively filming this. So yeah, it's definitely coming along, but I love this place so much. We feel so blessed. So thank y'all for watching. Again, thank y'all so much for all the support and love y'all have shown us in the house. We're so grateful. We love you guys, and we will see you in the next video.